They can't stop me. Nobody can stop me from doing what I can. I know what I am. I don't make pots for the losers. I make the real music. I don't use auto-tune. I don't want to. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I make real music because I want to. I like the nice girls, but I don't like the girl that cheats. The one that cheats can get the hell out. Anybody who cheats is that bad word. Is a female god. And I'll be quite honest with that. Anybody who cheats is a female god. That's how I feel. Anybody who cheats is a female god. And they can get the hell out of my house. And anybody who cheats is a female god. And they can get the hell out of my house. I'd rather have a nice girl who doesn't cheat and doesn't cost me a lot of money. Yeah. That's how I am. But anybody who cheats is a female god. And anybody cheats is a female god. Anybody cheats is a female god. Yeah. And I'll say it over and over again. But it's a good thing they won't believe it out that way. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Yeah. Anybody cheats is a female god. To the 1, to the 2, to the 3. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Why would I want someone that cheats? Why? Give me one good reason. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Or lousy floozy. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Anybody who cheats is a female god. What? Ho, it's the wolf. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Here I come with the bongo drums. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Ho, it's the wolf. Anybody who cheats is a female god. Anybody who cheats is a female god. How? Anybody who cheats is a female god. Yeah, what? Anybody who cheats is a female god. I know you want to turn it louder and louder. Anybody who cheats is a female god.